महागठबंधन है या ये महागाठबंधन है, कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है, केवल कंफ्यूजन, डिवीजन, अपना अपना एम्बिशन फॉर पोजीशन है। और इसीलिए आज जॉइंट पीसी तो है, पर तस्वीर केवल तेजस्वी की। दूसरी पार्टी के छोटे छोटे इमोजी लगा दिए हैं, पर फोटो से राहुल गांधी को डिलीट कर दिया है, फोटो से बाकी जो नेता है उनको डिलीट कर दिया है। तो क्या राहुल गांधी लायबिलिटी है, ऐसा आरजेडी मानती है, इसलिए डिलीट किया है? कल तक तो पप्पू यादव कह रहे थे कि राहुल गांधी इज फेस ऑफ बिहार, राहुल गांधी इज फेस ऑफ बिहार, और राहुल गांधी को ही जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस पार्टी को ही डिलीट कर दिया है, तो आरजेडी ने एक प्रकार से कांग्रेस को उसकी राजनीतिक हैसियत दिखा दी है। और देखिए, वोट चोरी का तो कोई आरोप सिद्ध नहीं हुआ, टिकट चोरी तो ये लोग कर ही रहे हैं, पर अब कांग्रेस का सम्मान चोरी हो चुका है। सम्मान चोरी पर अब कांग्रेस बताए कि कल तक बड़े भाई होने का दावा कर रही थी, अब छोटा भाई क्या डिलीट ही कर दिया है। See, NDA has mission vision and Mahagathbandhan has no mission, no vision, only confusion. They are having friendly fights which are actually deadly fights. We are seeing the manner in which there is utter confusion, and now even the ambition for position has come to such a scale that they have put in the joint PC poster only the picture of Tejaswi Yadav. Even Rahul Gandhi has been deleted. Do they consider Rahul Gandhi to be a liability? That's why they have deleted him from the picture. Or is it that Congress has been shown its place by RJD? Till yesterday, Congress leader Pappu Yadav was saying Rahul is the face of Bihar. Rahul is the face of Bihar. Today, Rahul Gandhi has been deleted completely. So this shows that how the Congress and RJD and other parties in the Mahagathbandhan, they are fighting against each other. And this is Samman Chori of Congress. Vote Chori, so there is nothing proven. And ticket chori is taking place in their parties. But this is the Samman Chori that has taken place of the Congress party. See, the fight between DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah, which has now become a legendary fight, has now reached a new level. And INC now no longer means Indian National Congress, it means I need chair, I need confusion. And now Siddaramaiah ji's son says, Yatindra ji says, that my father is in his last phase of the political career and his legacy will be taken forward by Satish Jarkhioli. He does not even mention DK Shivakumar, who's a deputy to his father. So this shows that every day there is a new fight between DKS and Siddaramaiah camp. They are claiming the CM ship or the CM post. And because of their infighting, because of the fighting for the chair, there is no focus on governance, law and order, infrastructure, pothole roads, traffic situation in Karnataka and in Bengaluru. People of Karnataka are suffering, but this is the model of the Congress party. There is Tukde Congress in Telangana, in Himachal, in Rajasthan, the Gehlot pilot model, and now in Karnataka. Everywhere they are fighting against each other, and this statement is yet another reflection of that. Your reaction? Ever since the Congress party has come to power in Karnataka, the law and order situation of Karnataka has gone completely out of hand. Priyanka Vadra says, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu," but in Karnataka, it is "Ladki hu, to kya bach sakti hu." Sometimes a girl is raped in the broad daylight. Then we are seeing minor girls being raped, gang raped. Foreign tourists are gang raped and killed. Molestation takes place on the streets of Bengaluru. And now even the woman is not safe inside her house. And the house is barged into and there is a gang rape. Unfortunately, the Home Minister of Karnataka, when such incidents take place, he says these incidents happen. And he has said this on multiple occasions. This is the same Congress party. When it was in Rajasthan, it made Rajasthan #1 in rapes. And at that time, Shanti Dhariwal said, "Ladki ke saath rape hota hai because it is a mardon ka pradesh. It is a man's land." So this is the mindset of the Congress. Today I would like to ask Priyanka Vadra that you go to various states for politicking over women's issues, but how come you are silent when such brutal incidents take place either in Bengal or either in Karnataka? Why do you not open your mouth? Why doesn't Rahul Gandhi speak up a word? Why don't you ask for action against Siddaramaiah and Home Minister Parmeshwar? Nothing is said. देखिए, जब से कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार कर्नाटका में बनी है, तब से कर्नाटका की कानून व्यवस्था पूर्ण तरीके से ध्वस्त हो चुकी है। कर्नाटका में किस प्रकार से महिलाओं पर अत्याचार हो रहा है वहां पर किसी फॉरेन टूरिस्ट का रेप होता है, किसी बच्ची का रेप होता है, अब घर में घुस के एक महिला का रेप होता है। और जब रेप होते हैं तो लड़की हूं लड़ सकती हूं कहने वाली प्रियंका वाड्रा चुप होती है, और उनके नेता परमेश्वर जो होम मिनिस्टर है वो कहते हैं ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते रहते हैं। तो आज प्रियंका वाड्रा जी कहाँ हैं, आज राहुल गांधी जी कहाँ हैं? जो आउटरीच आप महिलाओं के विषय पर दिखाते हैं जब बीजेपी शासित प्रदेश में कुछ होता है, वो आक्रोश क्यों खत्म हो जाता है जब कर्नाटका में या बंगाल में ऐसी अप्रिय घटना, ऐसी दर्दनाक घटना होती है? इसके पीछे कारण क्या है? ये सिलेक्टिव आउटरीच क्यों होता है?
वीके न्यूज, राष्ट्र के नाम।